What's up, Telliscopes? It's your girl Telisse, aka Curly Tells.
And I'm Brandon.
And we're back for another video. You guys haven't seen Brandon in a while, so I'm excited to do a video with him today. Are you excited, Brandon?
Yes, I'm actually very excited.
Yes, he's been trying to get on the channel for a while, so yes, he's here today. And today I'm going to be giving Brandon a trim, and this is not a tutorial at all. I don't think I've given Brandon like one trim before, and I don't even know if it was good. But I'm going to give him a trim today because it's been a while since he's trimmed his hair at all, so I just feel like he's in need of one.
I think I'm in need of one, so.
And then after I trim his hair, I'm going to be doing a Fenugreek water treatment on his hair before he shampoos and deep conditions and does his like whole routine.
Yep.
So you guys already saw me do a Fenugreek water pre-poo on my hair. I'll link that video down below in the description for you guys. I actually really enjoyed it, and I've been doing it ever since. I'm going to continue doing it for at least the next few months to kind of see how it like works in my hair. As you guys already know, I got this Fenugreek water recipe from Mimi is Mighty Incredible. I'm going to link her recipe and her channel down below in the description, and you guys need to make sure you subscribe and check her out if you haven't already. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies by Telliscopes, and if you are new to my channel, welcome.
Welcome.
And make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started.
Today she's going to be using these Equinox scissors. They're professional grade, and they have like amazing reviews on Amazon.
They had like 16,000 reviews on there.
Yep, and that's where we actually got these scissors from, is Amazon, in case you're wondering.
Okay, like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to start trimming and taking, you know, a little bit off of like each curl. I forgot to get a shot of like what his hair looked like before, but this is what it's looking like afterwards. Well, this is what the back is looking like. I still have to cut the rest, but his curls are popping. They're popping a lot more than they were before I started cutting.
As you guys can see, like, I don't really care too much about my hair. Like, she could literally do whatever she wants with it. Just having fun with it.
Yeah. I see the curls are starting to clump more. I feel like they were popping before, but like now they're clumping and it just looks healthier already.
I guess this is more so entertaining for me.
This is entertaining for you?
Yeah. I mean, you're doing my hair.
That's entertaining.
I mean, I always love it when you do my hair, so. If you want, I can take off my glasses.
Oh yeah, go ahead, take off your glasses.
I feel like Velma every time I take off my glasses.
So do I.
If you're too young and you don't know who I'm talking about Velma from Scooby-Doo.
Everybody knows Velma.
I would hope so.
As you guys can see, like this piece right here is just gonna curl up. Like turn to the side, it's just gonna curl up no matter what. I keep trying to brush it down, and I think if we had like, you know, a kind of thick product, we could lay this down a little bit, but it is up. Alright, this is what his hair is looking like after I finished. And I don't know if this was a good job. Probably not. I did my best. Like he said, he doesn't really care too much about his hair, so he's not going to be mad if I messed it up.
Absolutely not. I think this is, like I said, entertaining. So,
so now I'm going to go ahead and spray the fenugreek water on his hair. This is the fenugreek water right here, and we're just going to get to it. Massage his scalp. Just massage the fenugreek water into his scalp.
Which feels absolutely amazing, by the way. Head massages are absolutely amazing.
Yeah, he loves head massages. Alright, I just finished the Fenugreek water pre-poo on Brandon's hair. So now he's going to put a plastic bag on his head and let it sit for probably like 30 minutes before he shampoos and deep conditions his hair. What products do you think you're going to be using for your wash day today?
I have no idea. We have so many products that we could use.
Yeah,
so.
You guys know I have a ton of products, so I just let him pick whatever he wants to use for his shampoo and deep condition.
Yeah, I'll let you guys know what I pick. All right?
Yeah, I'll have it either on the screen or down below in the description.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.